Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Microsoft Excel using the Microsoft account of yours. So first of all, you need to simply open your Microsoft Excel on your Windows and your Mac computer. So when you are inside, you are going to see this type of sign in option on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you just have to simply click on it. Now over here, you need to simply provide your sign in credentials associated with your Microsoft account. So simply just provide your email address, phone number or Skype details, then click on the option of next. Then you just have to provide the password and follow further authentication and the verification processes in order to basically sign in into your Microsoft account. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply click on the option of create one, and then you can just simply start filling out these details. That includes providing your first name, your last name, your email address that you can set, and that's how you can basically either create your account or sign in into your account if you already have one. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.